Hello dear students, welcome to English class. As you know, we started chapter 5, the camel and the car. Already in last video class I read this chapter. I hope you all also read this chapter. Warm up is there. Look at these pictures. Do you know this story? I hope you all knew that story. Tortoise and the hare. The story name is, all of you know this story. Take turns to tell the story means this story, hare and tortoise. I hope you all learn and read this story and come to this chapter. This chapter hard words are sunny, town, shopkeepers, lemons, clothes, suddenly, noisy, wonderful, thought, sultan, looked, traveling, shed, rested, fond, driver, surely, faster, boasted. Left, traveled, dry, rock, sand, higher, hotter, heard, noisy, speed, called, reach, drove, walked, followed, sounds, explained, offered, petrol, evening, desert, learned, although, spent, felt, sadly, rose, towards, little, pulled. These are hard words. You have to write these hard words in your fair notebook with the word meanings. You have to copy word meanings from the textbook in your fair notebook, and these underlined hard words you have to write in your fair notebook. And come to the today's chapter. Chapter name is The Camel and the Car. It was a sunny day in the town. It was a sunny day in the town of Aziz. Sunny day means it's a clear sun, no clouds and nothing is on sky. Only sun is there and bright day is there. Sunny day in the town of Aziz. Where is sunny day? In the town of Aziz, sunny day. Shopkeepers had set out lemons and clothes to sell near the road. अजीज शहर में सनी डे था, कोई डिस्टर्बेंस नहीं था, ओनली सन इज एट स्काई. वहाँ के जो शॉपकीपर्स, रोड साइड वेंडर्स जो भी हैं, वो सभी अपने लेमन्स एंड क्लॉथ्स सेल करने के लिए अरेंज कर रहे थे नियर द रोड. सडनली प्रैप प्रैप केम अ नॉइजी कार डाउन द रोड. One car came there on the road, down the road. Its noise was prap prap. Suddenly, that time what happened? When they were shopkeepers were arranging lemons and cloths, suddenly what happened? Prap prap came a noise, car down the road. One car is coming there. That noise was how? Prap prap. These cars are wonderful things, thought Ali, the camel driver, as he looked at the car go by. Okay. Wonderful things. Cars are wonderful things. Who said these words? Thought Ali. Who is Ali? Ali is the camel driver. Ali is the camel driver. When he looked at car, he said, these cars are wonderful things. At the car go by. जब कैमल ड्राइवर जो अली था वो कार का साउंड देख के कार को बोला दीज कार्स आर ए बहुत ही वंडरफुल थिंग्स है. एट that night Ali's camel Sultan and the car rested in the same shed. Now Ali is a camel driver, and what is the camel name? Sultan. Camel name is Sultan and camel's driver's name is Ali. Ali's camel Sultan and the car rested in the same shed. They started talking and found that they were both traveling to the town of Zella the next day. That night, Sultan and car were rested in a same shed. वो दोनों एक ही शेड में छांव के नीचे रुक गए और वो दोनों बातें करने लगे. Where they were traveling? They both were traveling to the Zella next day. वो दूसरे दिन मॉर्निंग कौन से सिटी जाने वाले थे? Zella सिटी जाने वाले थे. My driver and I will get there very fast. We will surely be faster than you, boasted the car. What's the meaning of boasted? Spoke proudly about what it could do. Feeling proud. Okay. These words are, who said these words? Car said these words. My driver and I will get there very fast. We will surely be faster than you. Means कार कैमल से भी फास्ट जाती है. सो कार बहुत प्राउडली क्या बोला? मैं और मेरे ड्राइवर आपसे पहले फास्ट उधर जाके पहुंच जाएंगे. और कौन से इससे बोला उसने? बोस्ट. स्पोक प्राउडली अबाउट व्हाट इट कुड डू. बहुत अपने आप के ऊपर प्राउडली फील करके कार ने बोला किसको? सुल्तान. हु इज अ सुल्तान? Sultan is the Ali's camel. Who is Ali? Ali is a camel's driver. Okay. How was car noise? Prap prap. The next day it was Sultan and Ali who left first. They travelled through place of dry rock and sand. As the sun rose higher in the sky, it became hotter and hotter. Suddenly they heard behind them on the road, prap prap. So here, all of you know that car goes very fast and camel is a slow. And all of you know about camel, na? What is the camel? Camel is the ship of desert. All of you know na? What is the used transport there? Camel is used in a desert area. Next day Sultan and Ali who left first. जैसे ही कार और कार के ड्राइवर सो रहे थे, सुल्तान और अली दोनों जल्दी उठ के ज़ेला के लिए निकल गए. क्यों जल्दी निकले? क्योंकि डेजर्ट एरिया में सन रोज होते ही बहुत हॉटर मीन्स बहुत ही गर्मी बढ़ने लगती है. सो दे वेक अप अर्ली एंड दे मूव टू दी ज़ेला सिटी. हर्ड सम नॉइज. सडनली दे हर्ड सम नॉइज. व्हाट दैट नॉइज? Prap prap. The noise little car overtook them at a high speed. Car is coming very fast and high speed. Overtook means उनको पीछे रखा. Overtook came from behind and went past. पीछे से आके आगे चले जाना. All of you know पहले से ही कार उसके ऊपर प्राउडली फील कर रहा था, मैं तेरे से भी बहुत जल्दी जल्दी वहाँ पे पहुँच जाऊँगा। वैसे ही क्या हुआ, वो दोनों वेरी हॉटर डे था, अली एंड सुल्तान चलते जा रहे थे, उनके पीछे से कौन आया, कार प्रैप प्रैप कर नॉइज करते हुए आया और उनके हाई स्पीड से आते हुए ओवरटुक देम एट हाई स्पीड, अली और सुल्तान को पीछे छोड़ के चले गए। हरी अप, इट कॉल्ड टू सुल्तान, यू विल नेवर रीच जेला एट दिस स्पीड, एंड इट ड्रोव ऑफ डाउन द रोड। Who said this? Any guesses this? Hurry up, it called to Sultan, you will never reach Jella at this speed, and it drove off down the road. Again Car boasted himself and said to the Sultan, Sultan, hurry up. If you will move this speed, you will never reach Jella city. You have to you have to make your speed and drove off down the road. अगेन कार ने उनको बोला, आप ऐसे स्पीड में चलेंगे तो कभी नहीं आप जला पहुँचोगे। अली एंड सुल्तान वॉकड ऑन फॉर सम टाइम, सून दे हर्ड प्रैप प्रैप प्रैप, अगेन दे हर्ड द नॉइज ऑफ कार, द साउंड्स ऑफ कार्स हॉर्न वेरी सैड। Ali and Sultan followed the sounds and reached the car. The man is in the car was looking very angry. What happened? Any guesses is there? When car crossed them, that time it moved, again overtook them, that stopped in little distance, and that sound was prap prap. This time that car driver was very angry. The sounds of the car's horn were sad. Ali and Sultan followed the sounds and reached the car. The man in the car was looking very angry. Who is angry now? Car driver is angry. I have run out of petrol, the car explained sadly. Who explained now this word? कार एक्सप्लेन दी अली एंड सुल्तान व्हाट हैपन, मेरे में से पेट्रोल खाली हो गया है, ऐसे बहुत ही उदास चेहरे से उनको बता दिया। अली कुड नॉट हेल्प द कार बट ही ऑफर्ड टू टेक द मैन इनटू टाउन ऑन हिज कैमल। अली कार को तो नहीं ले जा सकता, सो उसने ऑफर मीन्स उसको हेल्प करने के लिए बोला, मैं आपको ले जाऊंगा, मेरे कैमल के ऊपर बिठा के आपको ले जाऊंगा। इट वॉज इवनिंग वेन अली, सुल्तान एंड द मैन रीच द गेट्स ऑफ जेला। सुबह से चल रहे थे, शाम तक वो जेला पहुंच गए। कौन कौन? अली, सुल्तान एंड द मैन मीन्स कार ड्राइवर रीच द गेट्स ऑफ जेला। But the car had to spend the night alone in the desert. What happened? Who is boasted? Who is feeling proud that time? Now it happened what? All are moved to the Zella town, but lonely car spent night at the desert. It learned that although the desert is hot by day, it is cold by night. That time कार को ये मालूम हुआ सिर्फ डेजर्ट एरिया दिन में ही हॉट होते और रात को कोल्ड होते। द लिटिल कार फेल्ट वेरी कोल्ड, आई विश आई हैड नॉट बोस्टेड सो मच, इट सेड सैडली। नाउ ही इज फीलिंग वेरी गिल्टी ऑन इट, बिकॉज वो बहुत ही प्राउडली बोला था ना अली और सुल्तान को, कैमल एंड कैमल ड्राइवर को, दोनों को बोला था आप दोनों बहुत स्लोली चल रहे हो, कब पहुंचोगे, इतने सारे वर्ड बोला था। बट नाउ सो इट सेड सैडली, आई विश आई हैड नॉट बोस्टेड सो मच, मैं बहुत सारा अपने ऊपर नहीं बोला होता तो ये मुझे देखना नहीं पड़ता था। When the sun rose the next morning, the little car felt very lonely, but soon Sultan and Ali came to help the car. Ali tied ropes to the car and Sultan pulled it towards Zella. The little car said, "Prap, prap, prap," in thanks, not in a noise. In a thanks way, it make a noise. See here picture. Again next day Sultan and Ali came to the car's place and they tied the rope to the car, and camel Sultan pulled the car, and they all were reached the Zella city. Now car is making prap noise in a way of thanks way. He is telling thanks to Ali and Sultan. It means never feel proud yourself. कोई भी चीज़ को छोटा नहीं समझना चाहिए. Everything has its own value. It's a lesson of that only. In first story you all see that na tortoise and the hare, same story is there. Then here also car is feeling very proud on it, but what happened in between? Its petrol was finished, and who is pulling now? The camel is pulling now. I hope you all enjoyed this one and read it again. Okay, stay safe. Thank you. And given hard words you have to write in your fair notebook, and you have to write these 3 meanings, word meanings in your fair notebook. I am sending you PDF page of hard words. You have to write that hard words in your fair notebook. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.